Welcome to Infoquizzery. In today's 45-question quiz, we'll challenge your knowledge on science, geography, space, and more. Most people didn't pass this quiz. Will you accept the challenge? Let's get started. What are the building blocks of protein? Amino acids. Which part of the neuron receives incoming signal? Dendrite. What is nanotechnology? Study of atoms and molecules. What type of reaction is the combustion of hydrocarbons? Oxidation. Which of the following is a common example of a polymer? Nylon. In the context of materials science, what does alloy refer to? A mixture of metal. What is the basic unit of heredity? Which law of Mendel states that allele pairs separate during gamete formation? Law of segregation. What are alternative forms of a gene called? Allele. Which of the following is a homozygous genotype? BB. What is the potential energy of an object of mass 5 kilograms at a height of 10 meters? 490 J. Who discovered the electron? J.J. Thomson. The first law of thermodynamics is a version of the law of conservation of energy. Which of the following is a non-vascular plant? Which of the following plants is known for nitrogen fixation? Which part of the plant is responsible for absorbing water and nutrients? What is the main component of limestone? Calcium carbonate. Which process transforms sediment into sedimentary rock? Compaction and cementation. What is the hardest mineral on the Mohs scale? Diamond. Which element has the highest electronegativity? Which gas is evolved when zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid? Hydrogen. What is the molar mass of water, H2O? 18 grams per mole. Which of the following is an example of a covalent compound? Ammonia. In which phase of the cell cycle does DNA replication occur? S phase. Which of the following is not a prokaryote? Yeast. The bond that holds two DNA strands together is called a hydrogen bond. What is the name of the process where cells engulf large particles? Phagocytosis. The human body has how many pairs of chromosomes? 23 pairs. Which of the following organisms is considered an autotroph? Algae. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? Oxygen. Which molecule carries the genetic code from the nucleus to the ribosome? mRNA. Which system is responsible for hormone production in the body? Endocrine system. What are the icy bodies that have long tails as they approach the sun? Comet. What are the dark, flat plains on the moon called? What is the term for a collapsed star that emits X-rays and spins rapidly? Pulsar. What was the first mission to successfully land a rover on Mars? Viking 1. What is the primary component of a star in the main sequence phase? Hydrogen. What phenomenon explains the red shift observed in distant galaxies? Which spacecraft became the first to leave the solar system? What is the name of the nearest major galaxy to the Milky Way? What is the solar wind composed of? Electrons and protons. What do we call a planet that does not orbit any star? What is the average depth of the ocean? What causes ocean tides? Moon's gravitational pull. The process by which ocean water becomes more salty is known as